What's poppin', everybody? My name's Ian McQueenie and welcome back to McAffiliate. On my channel, I'll be introducing you to the newest business models of 2021 and how you can scale that business for the long term. So today, basically, we're going to be focusing on how you can generate leads to your affiliate marketing links. Now, if you haven't known already, I basically have my own affiliate marketing business. I've been doing this for a little bit over a month now, and my goal is to basically help other people learn how to start affiliate marketing for themselves and basically make their first sale. So if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, remember to leave a like and subscribe to stay notified for whenever I upload a new video, and leave a comment down below if you have any video recommendations for any other business side hustle business model type video you'd like me to make, and I'll make sure to research that and get that created for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. But wait, there's more. If you stay until the end of this video, I have an offer that I will give you that will allow you to get a lot more traffic to your affiliate marketing link and basically help boost your conversion rate for your affiliate marketing product and ultimately getting you more commissions. So make sure you stay and watch the whole video for that. So now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so if you don't know already, a sales funnel is basically the most important thing that you need for your affiliate marketing business. And so that's what I have on the screen right here. It's basically, it just shows you how you generate traffic to your opt-in page, then send them to your bridge page, affiliate offer, upsell, and then get people into your email list. So basically today what we're going to be focusing on is all these different social media platforms on the left side and how you can get them to your opt-in page first. So as you can see right here, we got examples. You got Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Those are probably the main types of social media platforms that you want to be getting people, like your viewers and your audience, attracted to bring them into your opt-in. So I'm going to be running through probably some of the most efficient and best social media platforms to do this with, and we'll just run them through and show you the best ways to get this started. So first off, you probably guessed it, it's TikTok. TikTok is probably one of the best social media platforms right now to gain traffic just to your brand, to your affiliate marketing list, just in any way possible. It's probably one of the best social media platforms for your business, no matter what your niche is. So basically what I do is I just post 3 to 5 times a day, basically providing people with affiliate marketing tips, affiliate marketing knowledge, information, and then maybe some mindset and motivational stuff. So it doesn't really matter as long as it's within the same niche. So for me, I'm more like on the finance, business mindset side of the app. So basically, if you keep uploading consistent content within the same niche, the people who are within that niche with you will most likely see the video, because that's how it's sent to the For You page. Because basically they target people that are interested in the same type of content that you post. So as you can see right here, why affiliate marketing is perfect to get started with right now. That's a good example. Then I've just got a small one, like if this is on your For You page, this summer is going to be the best summer of your life. So yeah, it really, whatever you do doesn't really matter as long as you're posting consistently. That's what I learned. If you're posting consistently, you will see results. I started doing this maybe about a month back, and I started with less than 100 followers. We'll just put it that way. And right now I have 1,227 followers. So it really doesn't matter as long as you're posting consistently, because let's see, we got to find one of the videos that did blow up. So I've been consistently getting about 200 views, but like for this one example, like it had nothing to do with affiliate marketing, but it still blew up and it allowed me to grow my audience by like maybe 200 followers that day. And it's literally just me posting a picture that I thought was interesting, and I let other people just comment their thoughts on it. Like, it's that simple. And basically the easiest way is on TikTok. And then what you want to do is you want to put your link in the bio. I believe if you're going to do this with a creator account, you need to have 1,000 followers But before that, you can switch your account over to a business account, and it will allow you to put the link in there. But there are some restrictions as to what type of music you can use and other stuff like that. So it's really up to you. I'd say for your first 1,000, probably just provide people with valuable information and then pitch them sales after you get to 1,000, because you don't want to be pitching them sales without providing them with information, because they'll just think it's a scam. And I learned that kind of the hard way. I used to post literally just click the link in my bio like every five times a day, every day for the past for 2 weeks straight maybe, and that wasn't working. And then I switched up my content and it started to grow a little bit more. So TikTok, that's number one, top of my list for gaining traffic. Number 2 is Pinterest. Pinterest is literally basically the same thing as TikTok. It's literally just more of on the, I don't want to be like that guy, it's more on the girly side of the internet, because girls are on Pinterest looking for clothes, makeup, art, stuff like that. And it just kind of allows you to grow your audience a little bit more and diversify your social media platforms as to where your content is being placed. So basically all I do really is I just take my TikTok content and download it and repost it and republish it back onto Pinterest. Now, as you can see, some of these don't have that many views, but over time they will grow. And really, honestly, with Pinterest, it doesn't matter how many followers you have. It doesn't matter how many likes you have. It doesn't matter how many people have saved it. All it comes down to is if they saw the video and they clicked the link in your bio. That's all that matters. So if you're looking to grow your following on Pinterest, I would not recommend that. But if you're going to be providing information on there and directing them to your link, this will help grow your traffic to your sales funnel a lot more, and it will be a lot more beneficial to you. So, I mean, my traffic on this hasn't been as great as it has been on TikTok, because TikTok, I don't think you can really exceed TikTok's performance, because their algorithm is insane. But Pinterest is right behind TikTok, and I really think you should utilize it when you're trying to gain more traffic to your sales funnel. And now number 3 is Facebook. Now, I'm not saying, go around pasting your link everywhere saying, oh, click this, click that, because then you'll just get reported for spam, and that will not end very well. So what I would recommend doing is creating some type of Facebook group that you can provide your audience with free information so that they can trust you a little bit more. And then within that group, post your YouTube videos, post some links to what softwares you recommend, and really just gain their trust. And once you do that, they will start making some purchases. And that's really it for Facebook groups. It's not that complicated. It doesn't have to be that complicated, but really it all comes down to who wants to learn and who's willing to put in the work. And if they choose to, watch your videos, click the links, you may get a few commissions. So that's really all it comes down to with Facebook. So not much to say there. And lastly, YouTube. Now, YouTube is really beneficial. Like, it is very hard to start, don't get me wrong. But I have another YouTube channel that has grown over 5,000 subscribers, and I've gained maybe 3 million views with that channel. And what I will say is the first year of starting was probably one of the hardest. It was the hardest part with, gaining traffic and starting up my brand and my business. But once you hit that maybe 100 subscriber milestone, your business or your brand will most likely start to grow a lot faster. And then once you hit the 1,000 mark, it just skyrockets and you just see the views coming in. So another way to really gain traffic to your YouTube channel is just really TikTok. Like, TikTok is mainly the center point of all of this. So if you're trying to grow a YouTube channel to teach others, get people onto your Facebook group, it all comes down to TikTok. You just have to post content on it, be like, damn, why aren't people checking out this video on my YouTube channel? and then you direct them to your YouTube channel, and then that's how you start getting views. So I really haven't gotten many that much traction on my YouTube channel yet, but what I will say is that it has helped me gain people's trust and grow my audience so that people can learn free and allow people to not make the purchase if they don't feel like it, and then once they feel comfortable, they can choose to make extra purchases in the future to expand their knowledge and grow their business. So with YouTube too, you can put advertisements on your videos, and that's really that is how you can get another stream of income. You can make money from YouTube advertisements, obviously putting it on your video, and then TikTok, I forgot to say this too, you can make money from TikTok using the Creator Fund. Now you do need 100,000 subscribers with this, but once you get to that point, you'll have maybe 3-4 streams of income, and that's why affiliate marketing is crazy with all these social media platforms, because you can literally grow your business and expand it and get a lot more traffic by doing any of these 4 different social media platform traffic methods. And I really think you should get started with these. So those 4 social media platforms are what I highly recommend to gain traffic to your affiliate offer. But number 5 is using paid ads. Now, I don't recommend this as a beginner, but later down the road, if you've been doing this for maybe a year, I would highly recommend using paid ads if you can pay for it. Because paid ads, honestly, I'm not going to say honestly, this actually gives you the highest conversions for your offer, because you're basically paying to have people see this offer in your advertisement. So it's a lot easier than free traffic, but it is a little bit more costly, like I said. But I would start using it maybe a year down the road after you have gained traffic on your free sources like TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube. And then after that, start making the payments and seeing more conversions and commissions roll in. So those are the top 5 ways to gain traffic that I would recommend for your affiliate marketing business. So like I said, as a beginner, I would highly recommend focusing on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and maybe Instagram ads if you're willing to pay for those. But like I said, I'd say start paying the ads later down the road when you are more experienced. So like I said earlier in the video, I do have a bonus for you, and what it's called is the 15-second leads, and it's basically a little run through of how you can gain more leads using TikTok in less than 15 seconds. And I made this purchase, I believe it's only $1. So if you'd like to check it out, there is a link down below to that offer where you can check it out for yourself and basically start learning how to gain more traffic to your TikTok account and generate more leads to your sales funnel and the offer. So once again, check that out in the description if you'd like to give it a try. And like I said, it's only $1, so it's a huge opportunity to start growing your TikTok following. So yeah, that's basically all I have for today with gaining traffic to your affiliate offer. So once again, if you'd like to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below and leave a like and subscribe so you can stay notified for the next video. So yeah, once again, I hope you enjoyed. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.